Hi friend, my name is Amitav Vishwash. Today I show you something related to the network, how to data communication and networking through the firewall. So as you know, the networking there is a user and there is a firewall and there is internet. So this is the user system and user system connect to the internet through firewall. So today I want to understand. We are going to understand how the traffic flow into the firewall. So today we are talking about the FortiGate. So how the traffic reach after reaching to the ingress interface and to egress interface, what happened and how the traffic flow is happened in the firewall, mainly in the FortiGate. That thing we can show today. So first, when traffic is to be headed to the, you know, FortiGate interface, it is called ingress interface. First, what happened? The packet integrity check is happening. So, what is integrity of the packet? Packet integrity is the header of the L3, L2, and L4 packet that will be checked and try to are going to understand it is a legitimate or correct packet or packet is altered somewhere. If the integrity check pass on the firewall, then firewall this packet will go to the next level. It's called ACL. After packet go through that ACL level, it is reached to the captive portal. Captive portal, and then after the packet reach to the DNAT. So captive portal and DNAT is the optional. This is a not mandatory, but this is the optional. So what is a captive portal? Captive portal where one portal is open and there you have to provide the username and password to entering the network. So that if that is configured on the firewall rules, then captive portal phase is checked. If it not match, then packet is declined here. If it's not configured, then packet go through the DNAT level. DNAT also is called a destination NAT. I can give the one example of a destination NAT is that when any user access the internal server from the outside internet, so we need to on the FortiGate we need provide one the public IP which is mapped to the LAN IP of this server. That is called the DNAT. So the destination will be changed on the NAT process. Later we can show what is the source and also. After DNAT, traffic is to be reached to your RPF or route lookup stage. Reverse path forward and route lookup. If the packet have the route to for the destination and to the reach to be destination, then packet is forwarded to the policy lookup. This is called policy lookup. Policy lookup the stage where the firewall check the packet policy is configured or not. If the packet have the policy to be go forwarded, this packet is forwarded to the next level. If there is no policy, then packet is to be denied in this place. After the packet policy lookup is completed and successful, then packet go to the next level. It is called next generation firewall rule or inspection rule. On the inspection rule, there is a mainly it is be checked with the next generation firewall or UTM policy like antivirus, web filter, and IPS. This kind of data protection, file protection, this kind of feature, if it is configured for this packet, this will be checked. If it is being passes, then traffic is going to the next level in the source NAT. SourceNet is a NAT system. As I show in the first, there is a firewall and there is a client system. Client system want to go to the internet. Now the LAN IP or local IP is not routable in the internet. So for that, the firewall provide one IP which is the publicable routable. So the traffic of this client can reach to internet and reverse packet also will come back to the system or client. This is called source NAT. So source NAT is definitely configured if traffic is going for the internet. If the traffic is for the internal network, then maybe source NAT not sometimes not needed also. If source NAT and as pass, then packet going to the packet shipper. On the packet shipper, it is also called QoS. So QoS is being checked. After the QoS is checked, packet to the going to the egress interface, and packet delivery through the egress interface. So this is the overall the traffic flow of the firewall. I can repeat that packet going to the, as I can give the one diagram where you can see that is the client system. This is the FortiGate and this is the internet. On this respect, you can understand the total traffic flow. As we talk, we can discuss on the traffic flow in between the FortiGate firewall. So packet is first, this packet from here to hit to the firewall ingress interface. Now what happened after traffic reaches to this ingress interface? First, the integrity check of the packet will be checked. As I already told, integrity is the header of the packet. And after the header of the packet, this is going to the ACL, and then it is called the captive portal and DNAT section. Both are optional. There is no all the packet not require this captive portal or DNAT for forward the traffic. So this is for that this is optional. If this is not there, if there it will be checked. If not there, it will go to the root lookup stage or RPF stage. RPF also used for mitigate the spoofing. That I can show you later how do the RPF work. But this is the check here, and this traffic after root lookup, traffic going to the policy lookup. Policy should be there for this traffic to go to the go outside, go to the egress interface. If any policy is matched with this traffic, for example, some traffic the user can access some URL, and it should be only through when this policy is configured on the FortiGate, as well as this is the same thing is here. This is a overall picture or high level picture, and this is the inside of the firewall. So after policy lookup is checked, this is going to the next generation firewall or inspection rules. This inspection rules and next firewall is check if there is any antivirus configure, IPsec configure, this kind of thing is to be checked here. If it has been configured, then check. If it has been successful or it is meeting is matched the criteria, then traffic allowed for the source NAT. As I told, source NAT, what is the source NAT? For the traffic should be access the internet, it requires some publicable routable IP. This is provided through the source NAT. This is required definitely, and then it is going to packet shaper. Packet shaper is the thing where we can categorize or we can limit some amount of packet, amount of traffic to be for this interface packet to be use some particular amount of GB or MB data for the purpose of the going to internet or traffic uses. This is it will be and check the packet shaper or quality of service. You can give some traffic to the priority. This kind of thing is configured here. This is also optional. Every rules or every packet is not configured for the packet shaper. After that, it is going to the egress interface and go to the outside of the internet or the local other zone or other VLAN that can be go. So this is the overall picture of the FortiGate packet flow and where it is happened here, and this is the big picture is there. Hope you can understand. We can go I think go later we can go details on there when you can go to the show you on the policy level. we can understand actually in the practically how it is been configured and how it is been practically work. Thank you.